How to start having results with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2025. Now the question is why you're afraid to spend money on ads, why you're losing money on ads. Maybe you're spending, let's say, $100 a day or maybe $20 a day on Clickbank ads and you're still losing money and it's not your fault. In this short 5-minute video, I'm going to explain you exactly and show you why you're not making any conversions and sales with Clickbank affiliate marketing in 2025. Let me show you first of all here on TikTok. As you can see over here, we had 177,000 views. Now, as you know, if you watched other previous videos, we have 1 week on, meaning 1 week we are running ads for 7 days, and another 7 days, zero ad spend, free traffic, organic traffic. Now, maybe you're wondering, okay, why? And the secret is this. In 2025, it's all about the right engagement, right? It's not about being viral. It doesn't even matter. It's about the right buyer's intent. You see, you have people who are Windows shoppers. So those are people who will go through your website and will never buy. They will just waste your time and money, right? They basically just click on your ads. Now, if you have bought any courses on Clickbank before from other gurus, you know that it's outdated BS. Why? Because mostly what they teach you is outdated methods that used to work 2 or 3 years ago, right? In 2025, if you want to have results with Clickbank affiliate marketing as a beginner, with a faceless, for example, TikTok channel, YouTube ads, or Facebook ads, or even Google pay-per-click ads, as an CPA affiliate marketer, you have to understand this. You have to have the right proven offer that's proven to convert and has a big enough upsell take rate. Why? Because economics of affiliate marketing doesn't add up, right? If you're spending more than you're making, then of course it doesn't work out. So the best secret that I can tell you is this: having the offer, the product on Clickbank that's paying huge affiliate commissions on the back end, right? So if you spend $30 in a day, you get $300 with one sale from one customer. One person, I promise you, one person will buy the whole affiliate funnel. What do I mean by that? You know, on Clickbank you have front end and back end sales, right? You have ebook for $37, and then you're gonna have some upsell for weight loss supplement for $200, right? Or $57 more. And that's, my friend, how you make money. Okay? You have to understand, you have to target buyer's intent. Now, it's not your fault, okay, if you have failed before and lost money with Clickbank affiliate marketing. It's not your fault. I understand how you feel. Because I used to have the same problem before, a few years ago, until I realized that affiliate marketing is all about putting people into the problem state and moving them into the solution state. And that's, my friend, where the sales are happening, into the solution state. Most affiliates are competing with each other because they go after the low-hanging fruits, because they don't know the purpose of affiliate is to put someone with your ClickFunnels pre-sale page or bridge page into the problem state and slowly into the solution state where the sales are happening on Clickbank, right? It's easy and simple as that. Once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, and hand-holding you along the way, so you can finally have great results as you watch this video, right? You can see, let's say, in the last 28 days, had over 1.3 million video views, okay? 100,000 likes, 6,000 comments. What you can do is just post your affiliate link, affiliate website, quiz funnel, and you can start getting sales and traction without spending money on ads. 1 week we are running ads, the second week it's free traffic, it's organic. Now maybe you're asking, okay, but how do I do that? Once we work together, one-on-one, you get done for you affiliate website, which is actually functional funnel. What do I mean by functional? Most gurus, right, other gurus are teaching you to put people into the curiosity-based mindset, which is doesn't make sense, right? Because attention without intention, it's zero sales. You're losing money. But attention, eyeballs, audiences, attention with buyer's intention are sales, are conversions. You only need one sale per day to be making $10,000 per month with Clickbank affiliate marketing. One sale a day for $330 US. And you are making over 10,000 US dollars per month, working 20 to 30 minutes per day. So all you have to do is have 20 to 30 minutes a day, and you are set to go. Because if you can make $100 or $1, you can make $1,000. You can make $2,000 or more. Okay, but we have to go milestone by milestone. We are taking baby steps together as we go. That's the most important in 2025. Now, as you watch this video, if you want to have more results, if you want to know exactly how to put it into the action, okay, one-on-one, let me know. I have my WhatsApp number, my Instagram, as you can see over here. You can reach out to me over here. My Instagram, I have my Facebook Messenger, my email, WhatsApp number, everything in the description below under this video, okay? So if you're really serious, if you are an action taker, and if you want to have results in 2025 and going further for yourself, working 20 to 30 minutes per day, then yes, this is something that you can do, okay? So as you watch this video, let's connect after. If you're serious, right? If you really want to have results with Clickbank affiliate marketing without showing your face, working 20 to 30 minutes per day, that's something for you.